Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.97 trillion, up 1.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38.9%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, in the last 1 hour to 24 hours, we're finally starting to see some sort of relief within the market, some green across the board, which we will definitely take. But we're still quite a bit away from that specific Bitcoin price that I've been talking about on my channel for quite some time that we need to break before we can even have a conversation whether or not we are headed towards all-time highs. But we will definitely take another green day within the markets. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that has been highly requested on my channel and has been gaining a lot of traction within the cryptocurrency markets, and that's none other than Apecoin. Alright, so if you are an Apecoin holder and this is your first time coming onto my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to cover Apecoin on a daily basis, and I will bring you guys just that. Looking at the Apecoin's price right now, it is currently trading at $12.43, up 2.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 1.5% in Bitcoin and 2.2% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Apecoin's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 40th spot with a market cap of $3.45 billion and the 24-hour trading volume of $481.8 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, Apecoin has not been in the markets for quite some time. It just came out, but it has been an airdrop for people that were holding anything related to that Bored Ape, Mutant Ape, or that Kennel Ape. You were airdropped Apecoins for free, and since then it has been really gaining a lot of traction, and we are going to deep dive into this, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys as to what I think is going to happen with Apecoin. Again, not financial advice, only my personal opinion. But before we jump into the exciting stuff, the price, where is it heading, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com is, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join up to 10 million plus users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. This app can be downloaded on the two major platforms, the App Store if you have an Apple device, the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. One thing I love about this app, it's a one-stop shop. You can literally do everything on this app, and the best part is you can spend your crypto gains with the Crypto.com Visa card, and you can enjoy up to 8% back on all spending with your sleek pure metal card. No annual fees to top up with fiat or crypto. Link in the description box below, guys. Check it out, and I'm sure you guys will love it. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. What is happening with Apecoin, and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So right away, guys, I can't bring a lot of the technical parts to the charts right now because, again, Apecoin has not been in the markets for quite some time. Apecoin was launched on March 17th, so it has not even been a month since Apecoin has been in the cryptocurrency market existence. But this coin is gaining major attention, not only within the crypto space but outside space as well. A lot of people are coming into the markets just because of Apecoin, and this may sound like, I've been hearing a lot of different opinions on Apecoin. Some people say Apecoin is a scam. Some people are saying Apecoin is going to go to zero. Some people are saying Apecoin is going to go to the moon. And again, that happens with every coin that comes in the markets. Everyone's going to have their own opinions, and we have to respect everyone's opinions. But Apecoin, in my personal opinion, guys, in my personal opinion, is going to be revolutionary, not financial advice. And I will share exactly as to why I believe that. One, as I mentioned earlier in this video, now you may be asking, how was Apecoin given to these people? So if you guys don't know, there's an NFT. There's an NFT called Bored Ape, one of the big, if not the biggest communities in the NFT space. Bored Ape, Mutant Ape, and if you had the Kennel Club Ape as well, I'm sorry, Kennel Club NFT as well, you were eligible to receive this airdrop. So if you had just the Bored Ape only, like one Bored Ape NFT, you got dropped 10,094 tokens of ape. Mutant Ape, you would drop 2,042. If you had a Bored Ape plus Kennel Club, you got dropped 10,950 tokens. And Mutant Ape, you guys get the picture. And now you may be wondering, okay, what's so special about that? You know what? Let's just bring up the calculations to really give you guys a better understanding how much, people got airdropped. So if you were just holding one, let's just say one ape, Bored Ape, that's 10.94, and you multiply that with an all-time high. When it got listed, it went all the way up to $28, guys. So let's say you bought at that, and let's say you sold at that, or even if we're just looking at it from how much that was worth, you got airdropped $282,632 worth of Apecoin. And not only that, guys, 282,000 free, basically free in a wafer as an incentive for holding that Bored Ape. And not only that, that's not the best part. That is not the best part. On my channel, I go over everything. And one thing I have not seen a lot of people talk about is that right after this coin was launched, it was listed literally on all the major exchanges in the cryptocurrency markets. So this is no joke. These big exchanges are not just going to list a coin that they believe is just hype. They know what Bored Ape Club itself is building. Biggest community. Literally, the community is known worldwide because all the celebrities own Bored Apes and, big institutional investors. And it's just like a way of showing like, hey, we're part of this amazing community. And obviously the Web3 metaverse launching, a lot of hype coming into it. And without a doubt, everyone wants to have a Bored Ape. And this is not it. There are going to have more and more, plans and expansions within this brand itself. And obviously, these exchanges that I have mentioned are not ignoring that fact. And if we are just looking at the price itself, now you may be saying, if they were airdropped so much free cash, wouldn't they all be dumping their tokens? Obviously, we saw a major spike once it got listed. But we should not be looking at the initial listing spike because that always happens. Look at this amazing consolidation we have seen over the past couple of days. Usually when people get airdropped, everyone would automatically think, dump. If you're getting dropped $280,000 free, why wouldn't you just dump it on the market and cash that out and buy yourself another Bored Ape? Oh, you guys get the picture? But no, the holders of Bored Ape are holding, and they see the picture, the bigger picture as to what is going to happen. And you just look at the community itself, guys. Forget about everything. Look at the community, how strong the community is, and where they are heading. They have the biggest events happening in the NFT space, and along with that, they really do take care of their holders. They show them appreciation, and this is just an perfect example. And on top of that, they give them a lot of free goodies and souvenirs. And that just happened yesterday. They gave everyone that was holding a Bored Ape free merch. Again, that's unheard of, and this is bigger than a lot of people think. And I do believe Bored Ape is going to, I'm sorry, not Bored Ape, that's stuck in my mind. Apecoin is going to do quite well even in a downwards trend market, because right now, as you guys can see, market is not looking too exciting if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin, because as you guys know, Bitcoin is a leading indicator of the entire cryptocurrency markets, and I always talk about that with you guys. And if you are a regular viewer on my channel, I've been talking about this specific level of resistance since the beginning of this year, which we were unable to hold when we saw it break out towards the upside, which really goes to show the weakness that the bulls had when the price broke out. But right now we're still in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, still in an upward trend if we were looking at it from this point of view, been hitting higher lows after higher lows. But overall market sentiment, there's still a lot of uncertainty. And with that being said, look at what's happening with Apecoin. Apecoin has not been much impacted with the price of Bitcoin. Obviously, it does have impacts when Bitcoin has a correction. It is going to be impacted in the immediate short term, but it bounces back. And this literally shows the power, the strength of Apecoin, and a lot of people are not ignoring that. Obviously, if you were not an Apecoin holder, you had to buy it on the secondary markets, and a lot of people are doing that right now. My personal opinion is, let's go back. So right now with the market cap of $3.4 billion, and if we go back onto the markets and look at Shiba, just for instance, it's sitting at $14.18 billion. Nothing against Shiba. Again, it's a meme coin, but in a way, no real use case. More of just speculation. No real use case behind Shiba itself. But Apecoin, on the other hand, with a $3.4 billion market cap, with a major community on its back, revolutionary technology, Web3, NFTs, and the biggest community. Like, that's the main thing to me. The biggest community. Community matters the most. It builds hype, brings in the hype. At the end of the day, hype is the most important thing when it comes down to cryptocurrencies. And Bored Ape has that for itself. And Apecoin, currently valued at $3.4 billion market cap, in my personal opinion, is strongly undervalued even in a downwards trend market. It's strongly undervalued, and I do believe this coin is going to shake the cryptocurrency space when the time comes, and there could be a big move coming. I don't know. When I have that instinct, most of the time that instinct comes to true. Again, you guys need to remember, this is my own personal opinion, not financial advice. This is what I personally believe. And right now, currently, I do not own any Ape tokens. But fingers crossed, my goal is to get myself either a Bored Ape. Again, I'm nowhere near that Bored Ape, or a Mutant Ape, because that's how much I believe in this community and how I believe this is going to succeed in the long haul. Right now, this is a level that I think that you all should be keeping an eye out on, at that 15.5 cents mark. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, that means it's a move of about 26.5%. I believe if we break out of this range, guys, things could really start getting exciting, and we could see some newer highs for the price of Apecoin. Again, it's not been in the markets for too long, so we can't really sit here and go more into the technicals, but that's my stance on Apecoin. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Apecoin go, and let me know if you agree with what I am saying. Leave it in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and